Fresh track. And rub. And lo and behold, a scrape that is like fresh, like wet, fresh. Hey, wrong place, wrong time. But we got the plan. Okay, so update. Back at the truck. I'm disrobed. Takeaways from this morning. So this spot of Gamelands just came back in this week. It is December. If you can figure it out, good for you. There's been some permit hunts, but other than that, not a lot of pressure going on. So I came to a piece that I have not hunted before. I did a smidgen of scouting in the off season. So I pretty much set up in the dark off some emerging trails. And not a lot of action this morning, but I pulled my stuff down and scouted for about 45 minutes, just working real slow, kind of hunting my way through the woods, and found some incredible sign, like buck sign, big rubs, fresh scrapes, like wet. So somehow I missed them, but anyway, the goal is to get back down here ASAP. But it's December. I'd like to get an evening hunt in. We'll see what happens. I did bring my celebratory cigars on the off chance that something died as a good luck charm, but you know, luck is not real, so there's that. Also got hit on by a bird, so that was cool. Anyway, hope to get back out here and catch something slipping up. That's the goal. So we'll remain positive and we'll persevere. Onward we go. Later.